Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Databricks to AWS Lakehouse for Spark jobs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Databricks to AWS Lakehouse for Spark jobs, begin by logging into your Databricks account. Navigate to the workspace where you want to set up the connection. Open the Clusters section from the left sidebar. Create a new cluster or select an existing one. Ensure that your cluster is using a runtime that supports Spark, such as the latest Databricks runtime. Once your cluster is running, go to the Libraries section. Install the AWS SDK for the Spark integration. This typically involves adding a library via Maven Coordinates or PyPI. Next, configure the AWS credentials required to access your Lakehouse data. You can do this by creating a new secret scope in Databricks. Use the Databricks CLI or the UI to create the scope. Add your AWS access key and secret access key as secrets within this scope. Now, move on to setting up the necessary configurations in your Databricks notebook. Begin by importing the necessary libraries for Spark and AWS services. Next, create a Spark session with the appropriate configurations to access AWS services. Make sure to include the secret scope information in your configuration settings. You can access your Lakehouse data by specifying the S3 bucket path in your Spark read commands. Use commands like spark.read.format, parquet.load, s3 / your bucket / path to read data from the Lakehouse. To write data back to AWS Lakehouse, use the Spark write command similarly. Specify the correct output format and the target S3 path in your write command. Confirm that your IAM roles and policies are properly set up to allow access to the Lakehouse. Run test queries to validate that the connection is functioning correctly. If you encounter issues, check the cluster logs for any error messages related to connectivity. Make adjustments as needed to ensure a successful connection. Once everything is set up, you can start executing Spark jobs on your data housed in AWS Lakehouse. This integration allows for efficient data processing and analytics within your Databricks environment. Finally, document your steps and configurations for future reference or for team collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.